In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus not loading. So if Disney Plus is not loading, it could be due to multiple different reasons, but one of the main reasons is due to Wi-Fi issues. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go to your smart TV or whatever device you're using, and I want you to go to the Wi-Fi settings. So if you're on a smart TV, then you just want to go ahead and go all the way to the left until you see this setting option right over here. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see general. Then once you're in general, you want to go ahead and select on network, and over here it is going to give you your current network status, and you just want to go ahead and press on network status right over here, and it's going to let you know what condition your Wi-Fi is in. So what you may need to do is you may need to go ahead and unplug your router for around 30 seconds, and then after those 30 seconds go ahead and connect your router one more time. Then wait about like 2 to 5 minutes in order for your TV to actually pick up the Wi-Fi signal again, and see if that works. I recently ran into this issue earlier today, and that's what I did in order to fix it. You guys could also go ahead and press on retry, just like so. Just go ahead and press on retry, and then you just want to go ahead and see if your Wi-Fi does work. So if everything I did not work, then what you could do as a last resort is just simply reset your network. This will disconnect you from any Wi-Fi networks, and basically you need to go ahead and log into your Wi-Fi again. So this did work for me that one time when I was experiencing issues. So this will basically disconnect you from your Wi-Fi, and then you need to go ahead and sign in back to your Wi-Fi again. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and restart the Disney Plus app by simply closing it and then opening it one more time, because that may be causing some issues. Also, please make sure you have the most recent version of Disney Plus, because older versions of Disney Plus could have some errors, and you could be running into issues because you may not have the most recent version of Disney Plus. Also, you want to make sure that your TV itself is updated and it's up to date. So what you want to do is you want to go back to settings one more time. So just keep on going this way. Then you should be able to see settings. So once you're in settings, you want to go ahead and select on support, and then you want to go ahead and make sure you have the most recent update on your smart TV, and that could actually help you fix your issue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.